Hi everyone and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you are prompted every time I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, I say Akwaba once again. Today we are making energy bites, which are perfect for baby-led weaning. The ingredients you would need are sardine, baby cereal. Here I'm using Yumvita, but you can use any other baby cereal of your choice. I also have here half of a medium-sized avocado. This will be ready in no time. We'll start by mashing or flaking our sardine. I realize we hardly use sardines in our baby and toddler meals, so I decided to incorporate it into this recipe because it's rich in omega-3. Next, I'm adding my avocado, but I'll be doing so in batches so it's easier for me to mash. Avocado is also a rich source of natural fat, so if you want your child to gain some weight, you can incorporate avocado into their meals. If you are encouraging your baby to self-feed, this is one of the quickest and most healthy recipes you could try. Now I'm adding my baby cereal. Like I mentioned before, I'm using Yumvita, but you can also use oats or any other cereal brand of your choice. Mix till all the ingredients are well incorporated. We want a very pasty consistency, so feel free to add more baby cereal if you feel like the consistency is not pasty enough. So to the final bit, just roll into small balls, sizes that will be easy for your baby to pick and eat on his or her own. You cannot imagine the amount of energy in each bite. In the words of my toddler,
give them energy.
Our energy bites are ready now. But if your child is not into self-feeding, you could as well puree this and feed it to them. You can thin it out with water, breast milk, or formula. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Till we meet again, keep blooming.